Today's activity, we're going to use a dry eraser cube and then dry eraser marker and flashcard. So first of all, what we need to do is find some dry eraser cubes. I got them from Dollar Tree. They sell this at like $1.25 over there. So I got a couple of them, and then you will need a flashcard. Flashcard, you will write words on the cube before you play this activity. So let me use a purple. Write our characters on there. The first one is 草莓, that means strawberry. So on one side of the cube, we're going to write 草莓. So on top, we're going to write 草莓. On the other side, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So we can write 6 words out there. And then this is 榴莲. It's a little bit hard. Let's find an easy one. This is peach, 桃子. I will try this one. 桃子. This is 桃子. I will do another one. Should do it's a little bit hard. This is 橙子. 橙子 a little bit hard, but we use them all the time. 橙子. We write 橙子. So we wrote 橙子 on here. And the next one, we'll see them a lot too, is 葡萄. 葡萄. So we will find one side with no words on. There is 葡萄. The next one is 西瓜. 西瓜 is my favorite. 西瓜. 西瓜 is watermelon. 西瓜. 西瓜. And last one we have over here that we find the most popular fruit we're gonna learn. It's 苹果. It's apple. 苹果. So that's the last one. So this is a 苹果, that's the last one. So how we can play this game? You will hold, ask the kids, we have like 2 or 3 kids, and you can ask them each kid will hold 2 cards, like 苹果和西瓜. If this dice land on 苹果on the top, and that means the kids who hold this card are gonna win. You can toss this little cube up in the air. Oh, land on 西瓜. Actually, this card is a winner of this game. This is to help the kids hear the sound of 西瓜 watermelon, also see the words by their eyes, is 西瓜, and they'll be aware of, they heard the words, oh, 西瓜, this is what card I have in my hand, and they're aware of they win this game. So they learn the words by listening, watching, also reading, and also speaking. You will ask the kid to say 西瓜 at the same time, like 西瓜. The kids will be very excited to win this game.
Hi guys, my name is Alan. Hi guys, my name's Thomas.
Good job. Okay, today we're going to learn a couple of fruits, okay? This one is 草莓.
草莓.
说草莓.
草莓.
草莓是 strawberry. 草莓是 strawberry. Okay, 那这是什么?
Peach.
桃子.
桃子.
桃子是 peach. 桃子是 peach. 很棒. 这是什么?
Orange.
橙子. 橙子.
橙子.
说橙子是 orange. 橙子.
Yeah, but it says like baby sausage.
橙子 sounds like 橙子 right, but it's 橙子. Okay.
橙子.
这个是葡萄.
葡萄.
葡萄是 grapes. 葡萄是 grapes. And this one is 苹果. 苹果是 apple, 对不对？苹果，很棒。这是什么？西瓜是 watermelon. 西瓜是 watermelon. 西瓜很棒。我们这里 we have the dice with all the words on the dice. So we can toss, Alex can toss first, or Thomas can toss second. And then if you toss the card in your hand, mommy forgot to give you the card. So you can choose 3 fruit, your choice. 2. Good job. Then this card is Alan, right? Okay, so the Alan Can you tell me what's the card in your hand?
Peach.
How to say this one? Remember? 桃子。
桃子。
这个呢
Peach.
草莓。
草莓。
对，这个是什么？
果泡。
葡萄。
葡萄。
对 ，Thomas 这是什么？
苹果。
对，苹果。这个呢？橙子。橙子。这个是什么？你最喜欢吃的？这是什么？是什么？对，这是西瓜，西瓜。那我们来先把这个，我们谁来让妈妈先说好不好？那么我们先把这个放在你面前，你知道你有什么？苹果，对不起，不是苹果，草莓、葡萄还有桃子。OK， 你有苹果，不可以打开。OK， 苹果、西瓜和橙子。哦，这个是什么？这个是什么？草莓。草莓，对，草莓，对，草莓。那么这个是 Alan 得了1分，对不对 ？Alan got a point. Okay, Thomas' turn. Thomas toss. Okay, be careful with the cube. Don't touch them. Wow! Oh, goodness. So let's see. What do we have here? Do you know what this is?
No.
橙子。
橙子。
对，橙子，哪个是橙子？对，橙子。那 Thomas 拿了1分。
I got a point.
Woohoo! 来 ，Alan。那是什么？西瓜，他们是拿过来。西瓜是在哪里
I got a point.
Yay, 西瓜 Thomas got 2 points. Alan got 1 point. It's okay. Alan turn. Go, Alan. Alan, did you? You already went. 桃子是什么？桃子什么 ？Peach. 桃子，对。Okay, Thomas go. Okay, Thomas. Whoa! Where did it go? Let me see. Don't turn. Ready? Oh, what do we have here? Oh, 桃子 again. Ooh, 桃子 again. Okay, Alan's turn. Be careful with it. Oh, what's that? 苹果.
Yeah, I got it.
Yay! So Thomas won. Good job, Thomas. Can you read this for me? 橙子。
橙子。
这是什么？西瓜。
西瓜。
对，这是什么？
草莓。
这不是草莓，这是什么？
苹果。
对，苹果。Alan 来 ，Alan 这是什么？桃子。桃子，这是草莓。草莓，这是什么？葡萄。Thomas。